Hello guys, this is Avinash from AvinTech. So in previous video, we have seen what is web element and the methods which are present under web element interface. Along with that, even we have seen the HTML code and we have come across the tag, attributes and text. And we know how to inspect an element in Chrome browser or in Mozilla Firefox browser too. Hope you guys are clear with those concepts, so you guys can now easily inspect the element with the help of using inspect element option in Mozilla Firefox browser and inspect in Google Chrome browser. So today we are going to discuss the basics of HTML in this video. Okay guys, so usually HTML stands for hypertext markup language, which is used to design a web page. Okay guys, so in HTML elements it contains tag, attribute and text, class, so on. Okay, but HTML code should have tag, which is mandatory. Okay, let's see with an example. See, here is the example 1. Here we can see the angle bracket, or else you can say that or, which indicates a lesser than sign, right? So we call it as angle bracket. Okay, followed by input. Okay, next name equal to username, class equal to email, then ID equal to email, then close the angle bracket. So guys, here whatever you write after the angle bracket is called as a tag. So here in this example, angle bracket input is a tag. Okay, now observe that code. Name, class and ID, these are called as attributes. Okay, so these attributes are name, class and ID. Okay, the values of these attribute names are username, email. These are called as attribute values. Hope you guys are clear. Okay, this is a simple code to demonstrate how HTML code represent. Okay guys, let's see with another example. See, second example. Here angle bracket A means A is a tag here, then href equal to https www.facebook.com. okay, /close. Now that angle bracket is here. Then next we can see forgot password. Then this code represent, that is angle bracket // and A represents this line is terminated here. Okay, so by referring this example we can say that angle bracket A is a tag and href means hypertext reference is attribute name. Okay, in previous example we have seen name, class, ID, right? So like that, here href, which is hypertext reference, is a attribute name, and the value which we have mentioned here, that is https www.facebook.com is a attribute value, and we have terminated this by using angle bracket. Then we have written a forgot password, which is nothing but a text. As we have seen in the previous video that we can search element by using tag, attributes, text. Hope you guys can get to know now that what you mean by tag, attribute and text. Easy. See, need not to go in depth about HTML here. Just the basics of HTML like tags, attributes, values, links and all. Okay. Let's see. Now what we'll do, we create our own web page now. Okay, by using these tag, attribute values, attributes with the text. Okay, so let's create an sample web page. Okay guys, let's see. Now go to notepad. See, this is my desktop here. So what I will do, I will go to notepad, click on. So here I am going to create a one sample web page. Okay, see here, HTML, under HTML body. Okay, in this body I am going to write my HTML code. Okay, A, which is nothing but tag. Then I will take one attribute as ID and I'll give attribute value as X. Okay, next I will take one more attribute which is name and I will give this attribute value as Y. Then one more attribute, class, I will give value as jet. Then I will use hypertext reference here, that is href. So what, okay, I'll take YouTube link, https www.youtube.com/ and I will end this line. Then I will write a text here, that is AvinTech. See, I am giving space here. Please observe, everything matters. So now I will end this coding. Like, see, I will terminate body first. Now I will terminate HTML code. This is the simple code for a sample web page. Okay, let's see what you need to do. After writing code on notepad, just go to file, save as. So please save it as on desktop only. Here file name, what I will give, a11.html. Please provide extension as .html under the file name. Okay, I have given name as a11 and extension is .html. Then come to the next box, text documents. Here click all files. Easy. Now save. Now we have saved this page as a11.html. okay, now close this. So here is my desktop and here see a11. Now you just double click on this file. It will open in default browser, as I'm having Google Chrome as a default browser. See here. Here is AvinTech test. Just click on this. it will take you to the YouTube, right? Easy, guys. Okay, hope you guys are clear. See, in HTML code we have used one attribute as href, hypertext reference, right? And we have given one link, that is www.youtube.com. so hypertext reference is used to create a link, okay, to another page. Is it, guys? Okay, hope you guys are clear how to create a web page by using tag and attributes and even the links. Easy. Now let's move further. Okay, next, fifth option, copy the URL present in the address bar and paste it as argument for the get method. Okay, let's see here. So this is my web page. So what I will do, I will copy this URL, Control C. Now what I will do, I will write a code to open the browser and enter this URL by using Eclipse. Okay guys, let's see. Okay guys, now let's move. What I will do, I will create a class and I give name as sample web page. So I will consider the main method here. Click on finish. Easy. Now place cursor here, Control D. So before, I have to set driver executable path here. So I will write a code under static block. Static system.set property. So please do remember this code. WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver. Easy. Next, dot / driver Chrome driver dot exe. Okay, easy. See, if you do any mistake while setting the driver executable path, you are going to get illegal state exception. We have seen already. Okay, next, what is the code to open the Chrome browser? Hope you guys can remember now. WebDriver driver equal to new Chrome driver. Easy. So we have to import Chrome driver from Selenium packages. Import driver, import. So this is the code to open the browser. Next, how to enter the URL? What is the code for that? That is driver dot by using get method. So already we have copied the URL address of our web page. So I will copy here. See. See guys, this code is to enter the URL and wait till page is completely loaded. Okay guys, easy. Now to format this lines of code, Control Alt, Control Shift F, Control Shift S to save this program. Now run. Easy. So opening the browser. Are we getting AvinTech? See here, easy guys. Okay, I will close it manually now. Now what I will do, I will close this automatically. For that I will write a code driver dot close, right? Run this code. Open the browser, enter the URL. See, Selenium is too fast. Okay guys, hope you guys are clear with the today's topic. So in this topic today, we have discussed about HTML, the basics of HTML like tag, attributes and text and links, and even we have created our sample web page. By creating our web page, we have automatically opened that web page and closed. Easy guys. Okay, so in next video I'm going to discuss the important topic of Selenium, that is locators. Okay, to know about the locators, these HTML basics are important. That's why I have taken the class of HTML today, so that we can understand locators topic easily. Okay guys, so see you soon. Next topic, next video I'm going to discuss locators. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.